gonna be some residential area in like 4 years. Look at that giant bolt. What's that kid doing over here? Look at all this lumber. Well, you know, there's only one thing we're supposed to do. That's off-roading, baby! Hey, yeah, all right. Woo! Woo, shit. Yes! 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 This is awesome! Yes! 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 Let's go! Holy shit, look at this. This is just amazing. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! These are some big bumps. If you're out of speed, you can just eat right through it. Look at these tracks. Perfect. Oh, yes. Woo! Woo! Look at this. Whoa! Hell yeah. Please no glass. There's no glass, man. Jesus, glass. Whoa. Oh, we gotta get through. Oh, yeah. Woo. That's because I got a pedal scrape, I think. Oh, this is awesome. Look at these tracks from the bulldozer. I need to get to those ones on the end because I can take it all the way. Oh yeah, this is awesome. How far can I full send it? This is the best. Oh. Oh. Woo! You fucking send it over everything, bruh. But, keep going. Alright, I need to be careful. Sticks and shit for sure. And get all up in your shit. But bruh, this is amazing. I think I'm pretty far in. I really want to see how far it goes back though. I'm just so curious. When you find places like these, you just like, you gotta explore it, like, cause it take forever to walk down here. Fucking take forever to walk down here. Someone can't come up to you and ask you, hey, what are you doing? And you're just walking, you look suspicious. Look at that. That looks awesome back there. I'm not gonna ride through this. That's just, I don't want anything. But look at this. This is a trail, like, this is clearly a trail. And it looks awesome to shoot a video in. And these are gems that are hidden. Because what? There's the water still right next to me. I still have a good sense of direction. Woo! I'm sweating bullets with having the time of my life. Let's go. Woo! Right through that. Easy. Uh-oh. Get off me. Get off me, bro. Like, don't touch me like that. We're on the S22. Batch number 2. Upgraded to a pro. You already know. Ooh. Ooh. Woo-hoo. That can be a jump. That could be a jump. Is this another jump?